Hi all, welcome to pantechelearning.
Now we are going to see what is a data science over here.
If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.
What is ML? So whenever we are going for this machine learning, the machine has started to learn. Previously itself, everyone has been involved into a machine learning type of objects itself. For the particular first reason is nothing but our mobile phone. I think from the past 5 to 10 years itself, everyone is having face recognition unlock, speech unlock, or speech recognition in your system, voice assistance. And at the same time, if you are going with Android, from the older version of Android itself, they are having some sort of predictions or recommendation system. So those and all definitely comes under the machine learning only. Humans will be learning like from their past experience. So many of them used to say whenever yes, they are going for any kinds of new thing. So based on that particular failure only, they'll be move on to the next step. So that is a psychological application or psychological implemented thing for a human. But the same thing it cannot be done for the machine. So whatever we are feeding, they will be able to take it as a way. For example, if I am saying 1 plus 1 equal to 4 means definitely it will be taking 1 plus 1 equal to 4. But once whenever you are going for the college laboratory, whatever the calculator we are designing in C, C++ or Java means, it is clearly given that 1 plus 1. So the plus function is added. So like that kind of binary key points or bytes, everything will be predefined for the system. The same thing if you give that particular thing as 1 plus 1 equal to 2 in some other logic, or if you are providing it in wrong logic means definitely it will be taking in that way. So here we have to be careful whenever we are providing any kind of data as a training for the machine. For example, many of them will be facing, and at the same time, many of them also might have seen this particular troll. So once, whenever that particular Apple has released their IR based cameras, before that, whenever they have released the normal cameras, the difference whenever they have suggested. So the particular persons, whoever has been converted from normal fingerprint security lock to face recognition. So the trolls were like that during the power cut, they were unable to turn on their mobiles and all. So in that particular way only, they have created mini trolls. So that particular thing, it is nothing but regarding towards this kind of application only, whatever they have designed over there. So from that particular application only, here we have to create a machine. So that particular machines is nothing but instructions will be followed. So for that, we have to provide the instructions carefully. So as we have seen the previous experience or the data which I would provide towards the machine, it completely known as the introduction. Sorry, it completely known as that particular machine learning. So once whenever we going for that particular machine learning, therefore some of the functions we have to enable with the logics. Okay, so that particular logics are nothing but the programming code. So here we will be just fully focusing on Python, and from that particular Python, here we should be able to convert or predict any kinds of application over there. So the calculator initially, whichever I have said, so that is an example over here. Here I'm providing the value with variables, and a rule also has been created. So in this rule, the most important, whatever the number we are providing as input, it is multiplied with 2. So from that multiplied with 2 only, we'll be able to get the answer. Because initially the rule has been trained towards the system, and the tested data is input value. So based on that input value, we will be able to see the predicted or output value. So we know that 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So 2 into 1 also 2. So according to the rule we have provided, the system is also predicting. So according to the rule and input, your answer will be this one. Like that same implementation only, here also we are doing it for our application oriented data science. What are the terminologies we have to be aware of? So data set. So inside the data set only, the data science itself depending upon. Okay, then comes with features. Which type of feature you are going to take? For example, if you are going to purchase a vehicle, either you have to look for that particular good mileage or without mileage. because most of the high-end vehicles will be having less mileage. Most of the low-end vehicles will be having a good mileage. So those two are the different features, and from that we have to select any one of the feature, because everything is not able to available in a single kinds of system or any kinds of producted model. Then comes with that particular model, and like select the algorithm. Okay, so what type of algorithm you require. So once whenever you select that particular feature, or for features, I hope it will be better example like first option, second option, and third option of vehicle. Like first is nothing but fully applied like infotainment system and keyless entry. Second means you won't be having that infotainment system and keyless and all. With key only you will be entering. Also the remote lock. The third option, if you go, means you will be having front with two power windows, no audio system like that and all, a basic vehicle. So these are the different features. So from that we have to select the any one of the feature, and we have to create a model like what is the purpose, either for the long drive or to carry over the entire family. So that is nothing but the model. And here the model, whatever we are selecting it for, it is nothing but for algorithm. So based on that particular algorithm only, we will be able to predict the entire output. So rule is the model which we feed to the system. No, rule is known as the algorithm. In which rule we have to do it is based on algorithm. The model is nothing but the particular multiplication. You're fitting into the multiplication over there. What are the applications? So recommending a movie in Netflix. If you just open any kind of online web series or websites, means mostly how many of them has viewed that particular movie, that particular thing will be displayed over there. Let it be in Prime, Hotstar or Netflix, everywhere it is applied, including YouTube. YouTube is the most highlighted thing for that. Then Facebook. So whatever the recent updates or how that particular sites are able to collect our data, and the data are nothing but it is in the form of cache. So from that particular cache, it is linking between one app to another app, and therefore it will be able to transfer it. So whatever we have seen that particular things in inside that particular each and every different app, let it be the game or let it be our Amazon or Flipkart like e-card shops, and after that we will be receiving it as an ad inside our Facebook or Instagram, any of the social medias. Then with the help of machine learning, they were able to create a PayPal and online security. So that particular security has been enabled with the help of machine learning. And these are the other sorts of industries.
Watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.